Well, ini one bukan reservation. Nomor yang nampak bukan yang roster, ada bukan reservation. How can we speak about the roster system if reservation is not being discussed? So that is what we've been insisting upon the government. And so unless the government talks about the reservation, I think there's no point talking about roster system.
So can we say that due to you not being satisfied with the outcome of the meeting, was that you stage a walkout from the meeting?
Well, there's no point, discussing about the roster system because, it's like putting the cart before the horse. So unless you talk about the reservation policy, roster system, discussing and spending time in the roster system, for us as a party, we feel it's just a waste of time.
That can be implemented. Yes. That can be implemented easily by the different departments. They don't need to call us this meeting. It is not so complicated. It's not rocket science to understand the roster system. So first, we come to this meeting simply because we have been invited to come. They put in the subject of the letter as reservation roster. So we thought that the twin issues will be discussed. But when in the meeting we asked whether why the OM of 2022 does not speak about the population structure, which the 1972 resolution clearly stated that the principle of reservation is the population also. Exactly. But here the OM of 2022 speaks nothing about the population structure, and therefore we feel that it is pointless to have a discussion on the roster system, which is, I would say, a very simple matter which can be understood by anyone without coming to this meeting. Subject reservation roster reservation.
But we have seen yesterday the Chief Minister had stated that reservation without a roster is meaningless. So what do you have to say?
They base the roster on I would say that the unjust reservation policy. So ultimately that roster system is unjust roster. Why? Because it is based on the unjust policy, and therefore unless and until you correct the policy based on a population structure, it is pointless to talk about the roster system.
But we have seen it is a clear message from the government that it has no interest to discuss the reservation policy or neither to review the policy.
I don't have the time to see what he speaks to the media. I'm not so much into the media. We come here as per the letter.
So what is the next?
Don't give reservation policy. Yok kerja kumoja hakiway kizila bakan naga prapau kon point
Sanpau. The latest ruling jangga Supreme Court nak Sanpau ka kiu shakan ropau. Then this is manong ipi away ga reservation hangni ha VPP reservation ha ki centrally funded central institutes. Ya ki scheduled tribes ka ya 7.5% throughout India. Ha ki scheduled areas ki ya katkum ka reservation chong katu ka university mar ki suthu ka scheduled tribe areas. The kira ka suthu pagani ka scheduled tribe areas kamdei bagani ka 80% kan poisha code kala poisha code ka no husin tang ba ka code kamlei this is subject of the government hadu mentangin kampat lei ka code bangin ong mangi bakan le how we to say.
So what will be the next step?
Long subuh menjadi ada pentrai kini ke reservation kat no yang saya diban mengkasi kat no.
Tiga long ba penpai na 1971 hangtu giong ba ka resolution ka baklang tu kong ba in BSF population. But kawai long ba ki ko ka reservation kamdei ka combined ST. Tingamla aku banshim ya combined ST population. Hab shim hi ya ke individual ST population. Ke individual ST population ha 1971 ki khasi kilong 100% ki karo la shur round up to 32%. Like you know, 32%. They have 2011 the population during Khasi 47%, the population during Garo 32%.
The next course of action.
We will decide in the party and we will let you.
So now you will go and brief the people that have gathered there in the protest venue?
Yes.
Yes.
Reservation policy, Kabak 1972 resolution, it is based on the population.